Nice.
Camera's going.
All right, man. We're going down.
Yours?
We're going down. Expert level. No easy runs for
Nope.
the Bry.
I'll follow you.
Oh, that's right. Okay. I'll get down there and stop. Give me a little. Okay, I'm gonna ski down and stop, and then let Brian come by me. This is a pretty intense hill. I'm not kidding you. It's steeper than most people would feel comfortable, but we're too stupid to be there. Let's check that out. If that ain't steep, I don't know what is, but we got it handled. I'm gonna get down there, and then you'll see Brian come down. Whoa, whoa. That's all for the camera. There ain't no whoa in me. Woohoo! That's it. Woo! Okay. All right. There he is at the top. Brian will blitz it. He'll be here in 2 seconds. Nice. Good form. I hope my camera's faced at him. Whew. Take a breath, Pops. Nice. He zips Pops. This could be a new time at the big stick. That was sweet. That was sweet. No, shoot, I didn't even. You weren't there long. It's like,
man, how sweet is that?
That was the best. I loved it.
That even beats the other one.
That
man.
beats the other one.
Holy cow.
Yeah, I like that.
Wow, that's nice.
Wasn't it?
We may have to go one more.
One more, because the snow will go quick.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah, one more.
That's why they make Tylenol.
That's it. All right.
All right, go for it. I'll follow you. Or attempt to. Yes. There he is, folks. He's doing good. Cut the corner. There he is. There's somebody there. Very cool. Little ice. Whoa. They got a little slow. Starting to get a little soft on the flat. Yeah. This gets kind of interesting down here. You get a nice little run and shoot to the I don't know what you call it, restaurant, cafe. There we go. Oh, I had a little, you know when you hit the soft stuff, because it's just like somebody grabbing you and pulling you back, so your little leg goes, ah. Oh yeah, here we go. Yes indeed. Yeah, that was slow. A little slushy. This one
is gonna be sweet though.
Yeah, this one will be sweet, and it's got that little dip right before the whatever it is.
I'll let you go first on this one.
Why, you can't see nothing?
Huh?
Why, you just want to blitz it?
I'll
no, you ain't getting that far ahead. Oh, you want to go do a fly? Okay.
That was fun.
Yeah. There's a little cliff here. If I stop, Ryan might get air, which I'm not sure. Yeah, he'll definitely get air on this. Right, there's a you'll get some air on this. I know he didn't hear that. All right. Yeah, here he comes. Yeah, the boy can ski. Here it is. Nice. Little bit of air, little bit of air. No air. All right, catch him if you can. Catch him if you can. Catch him if you can. Who knows? The wager's on the old guy. He's catching. Woo. little slushy. Woo! Woo!
You were right at that little ledge.
I was trying to tell you, man, if you go too fast, you're getting air.
Yeah, I didn't want to do that.
No. No way.
One more or lunch?
Lunch.
Alright, that's cool.
Yeah, go for it.
Alright. Meet you at the lodge.
Yeah. Here we go. Hear the ice. Let them run, let them run. That's it. I'd say 40, right? Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. Oh, the left ski caught an edge. Holy cow. That put a little bit of humble pie in me. Gosh. That's because the snow was getting soft. That pissed me off. Oh well. Alright, time for a Corona. Time for a Corona.
Yeah. How about over there? You can sneak right through that gate.
Oh yeah. Cool. Ah, bad move right here, bro. Ski off, left ski that caught on me made me curse. Lunchtime.
Yeah.
Anywhere you want. If it's still blinking, how you turn it off on the top?
Hit the top button.